Hello traders, so welcome to a new video on market hacks. So in this video we'll be talking about spotting swing highs and lows, which plays a very important role in my personal analysis. So I always keep track of both of these things to get into a trade. So as you know, I generally trade on delivery based trading, right? I take delivery of stocks for swing trades, right? So I have only option of buying stocks, so I have to be very careful whenever I'm buying stocks. So I generally buy when it is not breaking the last swing lows, right? So let me tell you what swings are. Swings are nothing but the up and down movement of the price, right? So if a stock is moving in a healthy fashion, it should move with swings. That means both up movement and down movement. Up movement is done by green candles and the down movement is done by red candles. So whether an uptrend or a side trend or a downtrend, it has to swing, right? So whenever it makes a swing and makes a turn, it gives you high, intermediate highs and lows. Like here mostly all the highs probably would be in single line. So in uptrend, the highs would be higher from the previous highs and the lows would be higher from the previous lows. So higher highs and higher lows. In the downtrend, it is lower highs and lower lows. So sometimes what happens is when you have a chart in front of you, it is very hard to point out those swings, highs and lows. If you're experienced enough, then that is okay, you can easily do it. But when you're a beginner, it is quite complicated to search for these highs and lows. So when I was a beginner, I used to use a particular indicator. Right now I'm in TradingView terminal. You can go to indicators in your broker platform. I think everyone has that, and type zigzag. So it is very famous indicator. I don't know if you already knew it, but it is a very useful indicator as per me. See, so I'll go to just settings here of the indicator. I'll change it to white line so that I can clearly see the swings, and the deviation is 5%. That means for every 5% movement, it will take it as a swing, and the depth is set to 10. So remember these settings that I am using here. Okay, so now if you again want to remove the noise of the candles, what you can do it, change it to Heikin-Ashi candle, so it will be more smooth now. So now it will be very easy for you to analyze when you are going through a stock. I am analyzing on a 4-hour chart, because see, no matter what you are doing, intraday or swing, I think you need to first take a view on the higher time frame, that is either the daily or the 4-hour. I choose select the 4-hour. I am very used to using the 4-hour time frames. So whenever, so these are the swings highs. See, this is high, this is a low, right? So here it is not making a higher high, it is making a lower low, but still both these highs are not broken, so it is in a kind of a side trend. So whenever this point is broken, that means this high is broken. I can see there is a trend change. It comes back, takes support on this swing high, right, and then moves again. So this is how prices move. If you want, you can remove the candles so that you can only see the swings here. See, you can clearly see how this high was broken here, and then it took support at these highs and then again started moving. Second time again price came to almost that point and again it was rejected. So this is showing a good trend of Titan stock here. So like this, you can use this indicator for different prices and for different stocks. I would suggest you to keep in Heikin-Ashi candles so that you can easily see the trend. So it is a congestion area which was broken by this movement, and then this swing low is important for me. So whenever this swing low is broken, then that would be a downtrend for Titan. So next time when it came back here, it saved its swing low. It didn't go to the swing low. The buyers saved it from going back to the last swing low. So this was a particular point wherein you could have entered using this theory. So like this, you can use, like, let's say we'll put some other stock, Bharti Airtel. So see, Bharti Airtel was somewhere in a side trend for a long time, and then from this point it started giving downtrend signals. See, so now it went to here. So it is kind of a lower highs and lower lows, right? lower highs, and next is lower low. So what we are waiting for here is for a swing. So I think it has already given a downswing, so I think Airtel would be taking a swing. So like this you can put this zigzag indicator on your chart, and it will be very helpful for you in analyzing the chart if you are a beginner here. So I think that's it for this market hack video. If you really found it useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep trading. Bye bye.